Cleaning windows doesn't have to be risky, tiring, or time-consuming anymore. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best window cleaning robots of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your home. Whether you live in an apartment, a multi-story house, or just want spotless glass without the hassle, this video is carefully researched to help you choose the right window cleaning robot without confusion or hype. I'll cover real cleaning performance, safety systems, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ECOVACS Winbot Mini. The ECOVACS Winbot Mini is a compact window cleaning robot designed for smaller windows in tight spaces. It features dual ultrasonic spray nozzles, intelligent path planning, and a 9-stage protection system. Review highlights. This robot is ideal for apartments and smaller homes. Its lightweight design and intelligent navigation allow it to clean efficiently while maintaining strong safety performance. Pros: compact and lightweight design, dual ultrasonic spray system, intelligent cleaning path planning, 9-stage safety protection. Number 4. ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro. The Winbot W1 Pro offers intelligent window cleaning with dual cross water spray technology and WindSlam 3.0 path planning. It delivers 2800 PA suction power and supports app control for added convenience. Review highlights. This model provides consistent cleaning performance and strong edge detection, making it a solid choice for everyday home use on framed and frameless windows. Pros: dual cross-water spray technology, smart WindSlam 3.0 navigation, app-controlled operation, reliable edge detection system. Number 3. ECOVACS Winbot W2S. The ECOVACS Winbot W2S is designed for intelligent edge-to-edge cleaning. It features true edge scrubbers, 3 water nozzles, and the advanced WindSlam 4.0 route planning system. Review highlights. This robot delivers noticeably better corner and edge cleaning. It's well suited for users who want precise, streak-free results on large glass surfaces. Pros: true edge scrubbers for edge-to-edge cleaning, 3 water spray nozzles, WindSlam 4.0 intelligent navigation, 10-level safety protection. Number 2. FMART Winbot 8 Mini. The FMART Winbot 8 Mini stands out with powerful 8,000 PA suction, an ultra-slim 2.36-inch design, and a 4-way ultrasonic spray system. It supports smart path planning and both app and remote control operation. Review highlights. This robot offers excellent suction and stability, making it ideal for high-rise windows. Its slim profile helps it reach tight areas while maintaining strong safety performance. Pros: powerful 8,000 PA suction, ultra-slim design for tight spaces, 4-way ultrasonic spray system, app and remote control support. Number 1. ECOVACS Winbot W2 Pro Omni. The ECOVACS Winbot W2 Pro Omni is a premium window cleaning robot featuring a multifunctional station that allows charging while working. It includes triple nozzle water spraying, intelligent cleaning algorithms, and a 12-level protection system. Review highlights. This model delivers top-tier cleaning performance, unmatched safety, and premium convenience. The portable base station makes it perfect for large homes and professional-level results. Pros: multifunctional station with charging while working, triple nozzle water spray system, intelligent cleaning algorithms, advanced 12-level safety protection. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing cleaning performance, safety systems, ease of use, and real-world reliability, the ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro Omni stands out as the best window cleaning robot of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.